Hey everyone, it's the Health Juggernaut. Today, I'm going to create one big meal for those people who are doing the ketogenic diet and also they're attempting to do OMAD, which is one meal a day. I've been experimenting with this type of eating a lot. It's got some good points and it's got some bad points. I'll go over those separately in another video. But right now I'm just going to make one big meal. I'm going to break down the calories and the macros in it. And I think it's pretty complete. I'm really happy with it. And the taste is amazing. Coming right up. Alright, we're going to start with 53 grams of celery, 110 gram tomato, 42 grams of sweet onion, 65 grams of white button mushrooms, 186 grams of iceberg lettuce, 10 ounces of sirloin. Throw in 40 grams of bacon, pre-cooked, and 147 grams of grass-fed burger, which is a little over 5 ounces. This is everything you're going to need. I'm also going to go ahead and throw in about 20 grams of dark chocolate for dessert. Let's start with a little food prep. Let's chop up our mushrooms, onions, and celery. Saute those in a pan for a little while. Then we'll add our steak on top of that with a couple tablespoons of real butter. Cook that till it's all blended well. Add your spices as you want. And we're going to take that out and put it in a separate bowl. This is going to be half of our one big meal. Next, let's put our burger in a pan. Brown that. While that's cooking, let's chop up our iceberg lettuce nice and fine. Chop up some tomatoes with it. When it's all done, put your burger on top of your lettuce. Add some shredded cheese, put your tomatoes on, and it is ready to eat. This particular meal is exactly 1,600 calories, which is a little bit low on the calories. Now at 1,600 calories, the average size man, if he's active, is going to be attempting to lose weight. 1,600 calories is a level where you can kind of lose a little bit of weight every day and get down to your optimal weight range. But when you're trying to consume 1,600 calories all at once, it's going to feel like a lot of food. So when you get done eating these two big bowls that we just made, you're going to be stuffed. I mean, you're going to be totally satisfied. And then you're going to have that dark chocolate for dessert. So in a way, eating 1,600 calories is going to make you feel extremely full. I mean, you're going to be good to go all night and then all the next day until it's mealtime again. But overall, you're going to end up burning more calories than you consume. So you're going to have a tendency to lose a little bit of weight every day. And that's why I base this meal at 1,600 calories. If you're working out or you know you're active or you know your calorie level is normally 2,000, 2,500, whatever it may be, then you just scale your meal up a little bit or add a couple other items. You can add a quarter cup of macadamia nuts or a glass of coconut milk, whatever you see fit. Taking a look at the macros, you can see our protein is at 40.2%, our fat is at 52.9%, and our carbs are at 6.8%. I like the carbs. Carbs are nice and low. Less than 7%, I'm okay with that. The protein is a little bit high and the fat is a little bit low. So if you were eating 1,600 calories and you didn't think it was going to be enough, you want to go a little bit heavy on the fats. You want to add a couple hundred, maybe 400, 500, 600 calories worth of fat food items. That could be anything. That could be cheese. That could be almond yogurt. That could be macadamia nuts. You know, you could add some more dark chocolate, things of that nature. But I like the protein. The protein is actually at 158.4 grams. That's a lot. That is plenty, even for an average sized male who's lifting weights every day trying to gain muscle. But this is just one example of a ketogenic OMAD meal. Give it a try and let me know what you think. Health Juggernaut out.